So you may end up having some issues on your LG TV where for some reason it's stuck on a black screen. Now what does this mean? Well, basically you may have just gone through and opened up your TV for the first time, or you're trying to figure out why it's stuck on a black screen and it's not going further, it's not even looking like it's powering on. The very first thing you're going to want to make sure though is you want to make sure that your particular TV has power supply coming in that's perfectly, working. If your power supply, aka the power adapter that you have plugged into your TV, if that's not working, or if there's some faulty issues going on, or if there's not enough power coming through that outlet, there may be some issues there. So double check that power outlet, making sure that you're plugging it in into a right outlet that's working, and you want to make sure there's no issues with that. Because if there are, that in and of itself is going to end up causing issues in and of itself. That's going to cause issues. That's not going to make it work. So double check that. And as long as that's not the issue, then you can pretty much move on to the next step, which is making sure that the cables that you have put it inside of your particular device, that they are fully working as well. Sometimes if it's stuck on a black screen, it may look like it's on, but in reality, it's off or it's not working, or there's, again, endless amounts of issues you could run into here as well. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that those cables and everything, the, AV cables, HDMI cables, whatever you have in your TV, you want to make sure those specific things are working as well. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the issue either, another thing you may want to try doing is checking out that menu. Are you able to go ahead and boot up the menu of your particular device? Chances are there might be a situation where you are able to do that. So in that case, you may just want to go ahead and make sure that's not an issue either. You may also want to double check the remote, making sure the remote is completely working, because if the remote's not working, that might be another issue you might be running into as well. Finally, if none of those things are working, you want to try rebooting your TV, updating it if there's an update available. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix it. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.